Hi, and I'm going to show you how to, I made this in my classroom. It was this stuff. It's really cool. I'm just going to tell you a couple of ingredients I think it was made out of. Maybe cookie dough, some color changing sprinkles, and some food coloring. And I thought it was cool. And my teacher, Miss Dell, made it for me. It was fun squishing it. I really had a fun time, and it was so fun. I'm going to show you how to make it into a ball right now. You might need this kitchen tool. Squish it in there. Just take it out. The sides will be a little bit flat, maybe. See?
All right. What does the color green mean?
It means